Hey everyone, on this video we're going to basically go through what we do on some of the trucks that aren't full rebuilds. So this project is a truck that had really good bones. It had a lot, like everything was going for it, just needed some TLC. So as you'll see on here, you have the price of the hood, you have more different kinds of labor, just some things, there's places to draw the line. So you're gonna see the hood work. It is all time lapse, but you'll see the hood work. You'll see, it already had full fenders, but we needed to do some work to the mounting. The mounts had issues, so we had to rebuild some of that, redo their design, make it stronger. The frame, we made it look nicer. Then we repainted the frame, the brackets, fixed all that. Already had air ride front suspension. We just had to go through and do it, and had a lift bumper. We just had to go through and make everything the way it should be, the quality that it should be. On the interior, it had a wood floor, which was nice, but the seats, the seat bases that they had versus the seats they had were not the same. So there was only 2 bolts holding the seat in. Just things like that some people, when they have their own truck, they just do things to get by. And to resell the truck, we need to make it the best possible we can. There was probably 4 or 5 gauges in the dash not working. We ended up changing the whole dash out to digital gauges. Put the right seat bases in. Just did everything we could to make it the truck that's ready to go down the road. We also put on new fuel tanks, 2 new fuel tanks. The other ones, one of them had a dent in the bottom. They also were very short. They were completely under the bunk, which might look cool, but it's really hard to fill up the fuel. Really hard getting the fuel nozzle down in there. There was a good sized dent in the back of the bunk. We had to go in and push that out, take some interior out, push that out, and then make that look the way that it should look. Other than that, there was other miscellaneous things. Put a stainless steel deck plate on it. We also cut out the rear window in this bunk to put a window in to make it more desirable for potential buyers. There's many things we did to it, but it wasn't a full build to where we were starting from scratch. There was a really good base to start with. I believe the motor had paperwork on it. But this video is just going to go through that kind of process, and at the end of the video, you're going to see we have pictures and a little video of it when it was all done and before it was sold. So this truck is already sold, so nobody needs to message me and ask if it's still available. We have other trucks right now we have for sale and available, so feel free to give us a call or check out our website. We don't really put the trucks up on the website until they're totally done for sale. But if you want to call ahead of time, you're looking for a certain truck, feel free to give us a shout. All right, everybody, enjoy the video, and we'll see you next time.
I made the devil run. I gave him poison just for fun. I had one friend, now there's none. I made the devil run. I broke so many bones, but none of them were ever my own. They were an army, I was alone. I broke so many bones. I'm bad as bad can be, so bad that it's hard to believe. Oh, what they say about me. be. I'm bad as bad could be. As bad can be, so bad that it's hard to believe. Oh, what they say about me. Yeah, I'm bad. Take a look and see, so bad that it's hard to believe. I don't care what they say about me. Oh, I'm bad as bad can be. Oh, so bad. I'm bad as bad can be. I made the devil run. I gave him poison just for fun. I had one friend, now there's none. I made the devil run. I broke so many bones, but none of them were ever my own. They were an army, I was alone. I broke so many bones. I'm bad as bad can be, so bad that it's hard to believe. Oh, what they say about me. I'm bad, take a look and see, so bad that it's hard to believe. I don't care what they say about me. I watched an empire fall. I stormed the gate and scaled the walls. They wouldn't share, so I took it all. I watched an empire fall. I'm bad as bad can be, so bad that it's hard to believe. Oh, what they say about me. I'm bad, take a look and see, so bad that it's hard to believe. I don't care what they say about me. Stop it! You better watch out, here I come. I'm bad as bad could be. 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 As bad can be, so bad that it's hard to believe. Oh, what they say about me. Yeah, I'm bad. Take a look and see, so bad that it's hard to believe. I don't care what they say about me. Oh, I'm bad as bad can be. Oh, so bad. I'm bad as bad can be.
it.